Welcome. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Sasa leo ni Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Toddlers Habi. Today we are doing this cornrow hairstyle with 2 ponytails, commonly known as pussycat style in my country. So as usual, I start by moisturizing the baby's hair and I use some warm water so as not to scare the baby. Relax. I divide her hair into 2 sections, and this time I used a zigzag instead of a straight parting, just to make the look more interesting. I carefully hold one side together to focus on the remaining side. I also want to pleat 3 braids at the front, so I make the parting to separate it from the rest of the hair. After that, for the remaining piece of hair, I do a small parting heading towards the center and then I plait it. I do this for the rest of the hair on that side. After a few minutes, the baby was already asleep, so I tried to plait as fast as possible before she could wake up again.
I got this passion, and it's burning deep inside of me. And this time, no, not gonna settle for anything less. Craving a life that I've never known. And now is the time to find the love that I've always been looking for.
This is the first time I'm trying cornrows on her hair, and I'm really hoping they will serve her for some time as compared to normal braids that we've done before. This is because her hair is so soft, and most times after say 1 or 2 weeks it's usually a mess. Now that I'm done with the cornrows, I want to make an extension out of each using some braiding hair, and I will fix then twist the ends. The baby was not so cooperative the whole time, so we had to take breaks from time to time. Sometimes we also had to fight a bit to make it happen, so it wasn't all perfect. And before I forget, I used a fluffy kinky extra for the extension to the baby's hair. It's so long, so I had to cut it into 2 pieces, and I also used it because I wanted to achieve an all-natural look. Afterwards, I added beads to the baby's hair. I got the beads at a local shop and they sold them at 1 shilling for 2 pieces. This was a fair price for me since I was buying 3 different colors. Another option is to buy them at the Dubois Street or Kamukunji at only 100 bob and you get so many pieces. You should also be cautious when using the beads around the baby because they can easily be a choking hazard.
Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This is just a few days after plaiting the baby's hair. It's evident that the baby was also happy and enjoying her new hairstyle. I was applying some oil and happy at the end result. This was worth the try and I enjoyed every bit of it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll let you continue watching the end of the video. Until next time, it's a bye-bye from me.
You can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Start saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.